how to install db.planner on your PC. First, go to homepage of BRZP and then DB Software, and there DB Software English. Here you can download database. Click on it with left mouse button. Click on Ausführen. Install. Ready. Then download db.planner program. Ausführen. Accept. Install. Ready, db.planner will be started. But we can see it is in German. Now download English language table and store, and then der db.planner set Daten, speichern, store it, close. Now you open db.planner, einstellen, choose language table, double click on dbmsg underscore gb, language table registered. Now db.planner is in English, but we have not any farm to work with it. For this, go on BRZP homepage, download empty farm. Click on it, on store. You can store it in Ordner BRZP, store, close, and now go to db.planner, data transfer, farm data import, window of choice. Here you can search for the folder, all farms, log in at once, yes, and now the left bottom you can see you have an empty English farm. You can now data input parentage data of source, and this will be in other learning videos.